How to get unbanned from Omegle? First, open any of the browser. After that, search for omegle.com. Now we're on the Omegle website home. And as you can see, you can start video chatting. But if your account is banned, let's see how to get unbanned. Next, scroll down and tap on Terms of Service. Now, this is a page where Omegle explains rules. Here you'll also find out why account may be banned. Again, scroll down until you find section called Feedback. Once you get it, here you can see you can directly contact Omegle. From here, they will provide email. So, click on that email. Now, go ahead and explain them everything clearly. And they will respond to you with solution to your problem. So, this is a way to get so in this way you can get unbanned from Omegle. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more tutorials. Thank you.